the 3rd of June 1886 that the biggest number of our Ugandan martyrs were killed. They were among the first Christians baptized in this country. Olw'Abajulizi, aged about 25, who was the leader of the royal pages at the King's Palace, was burnt alive at the place where this basilica is. He died for his faith, but encouraging and protecting the young believers to persevere in faith and to preserve their purity and chastity. My dear brothers and sisters, especially the young people of Uganda, our martyrs, who were in majority young men, young people like you, as you have heard, leaving us a challenging example of a wonderful ecumenical witness and solidarity as we struggle to deepen the truth of our faith in Jesus Christ.
Yaffe ebadde nnungi, entegeka era nayo ebadde mpitirivu kubanga wabaddewo kunaaba mu ngalo nga tuyingira.
Okulamaga kuno waddemu okusoomoozebwa, timubaddemu obulwadde, abantu babadde bangi.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.